Good morning, students. Let's start our study session with chapter number 13. Shivaji gave the slip to the emperor. In last session, we have seen how Murarbaji fought for the fort of Purandar, as he was in charge of Purandar, and in that fight they were defeated by Mughal army. Yes, and plus Shivaji has decided that it is good to have peace treaty with Aurangzeb because he was not in condition to fight with a huge army. And as per the suggestion of Mirza Raja Jai Singh, he decided to go and meet to Emperor Aurangzeb in Delhi. So, putting his trust in Jai Singh, Shivaji left for Agra to visit the emperor. But leaving for Agra, Shivaji handed over the administration of his Swaraj to his mother, Jizabai, and took her blessing. With him were his son Sambhaji Raje and some chosen Sardar and few trusted people. He also carried with him a large treasure. In due course, he reached Agra. Okay, so he gave all administration of Swaraj in hands of his mother, Jizabai. Okay, he and his son Sambhaji Raje, they all went to Agra, and with a trusted follower. So, with few trusted followers, Shivaji Raje and his son went to Agra to see Emperor Aurangzeb to Delhi. Shivaji showed his spirit at Emperor court. On a pre-arranged day, Shivaji Maharaj attended the Emperor's Darbar. Okay, so as per the date fixed, Shivaji went to the court. Yes, young Sambhaji Raje accompanied him. It was Aurangzeb's 50th birthday. 50वीं सालगिरह थी. That is birthday. जन्मदिन. हाँ. After finishing court in Diwan-e-Khas, Emperor entered the hall where the matter of states were discussed. So Diwan-e-Khas क्या होता है students? Diwan-e-Khas is a place in the Emperor's court where they used to discuss all the matter. Okay. Jaswant Singh Rathod, whom Maratha had put to flight on many occasions, was in the rank ahead of Shivaji. Emperor put Shivaji in one of the back rows. Shivaji became angry. After all, he was a king of a sovereign state of Maharashtra. He was Raja, no? So he must be respected. But Aurangzeb had insulted Shivaji Raje. This was a deliberate insult, which he would not suffer lying down. Angry and insulted, he turned his back on the royal presence and made for his residence. He decided never to see emperor face again. फिर से emperor को मिलने कभी नहीं आऊँगा. He decided and he turned back. The visit was thus a failure. News of his incident spread everywhere. Shivaji Raje of Maharashtra, and he has done such a great insult of him. Emperor's treachery. Aurangzeb ordered guards to be posted around Shivaji's residence. So जहाँ पे शिवाजी को रोका गया था, वहाँ पे उन्होंने क्या किया? आजू बाजू गार्ड्स तैनात कर दिए ताकि शिवाजी कहीं जा ही ना सके। ओके, ना शिवाजी यहाँ से जाएगा और ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम होगी। ओके, सो फॉर दैट he made Shivaji arrest in one house. That is house arrest, you can say. Aurangzeb ordered guards to be posted around Shivaji's residence. Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji Raje thus become all practical purpose the emperor's prisoners. Shivaji understood the emperor's treachery. What emperor wants and his plan he understood. कि अब वो यहाँ से शिवाजी को नहीं जाने देगा। Okay, so Shivaji understood. He realized that emperor would never let him return to Maharashtra. Days and weeks passed. Then one day Shivaji Maharaj petitioned to emperor for permission to return Maharashtra. Okay, so he said, I must go to Maharashtra, to my motherland. I must go there. And what did he say? He tried again and again, but every time his request was turned down. कहाँ पे चले जाना, बैठ जाओ, रुक जाओ कुछ दिन और हमारी मेहमान नवाजी ले लो, यहीं पे रह जाओ, you are the great person. So like that Aurangzeb forced him to stop over there. He never allowed Shivaji to go from there. Then Shivaji Maharaj made up his mind to escape from Shivaji Emperor's clutch. Okay, to begin with that, he obtained Emperor's permission to send back to south of a person who had accompanied him to Agra. Emperor was happy. Okay, so what did he say? Emperor, किसी आप एक व्यक्ति को दक्षिण की तरफ भेज दीजिए कि मैं यहाँ पे सुरक्षित हूँ। ओके, आप इतना मैसेज तो भेज सकते हो। माँ साहब हमारी चिंता कर रही होंगी कि शिवाजी वेंट देयर, व्हाट हैज हैपेंड टू हिम। सो वन थिंग यू डू, सेंड सम मैसेंजर टुवर्ड्स साउथ। एम्परर वाज वेरी हैप्पी. He thought that Shivaji Maharaj would now be completely isolated. अब हम उसे सेपरेट कर सकते हैं और हमारे क्लच से, हमारे पकड़ से अब वो बच नहीं सकता, यहाँ से वो जा ही नहीं सकता. The only person left with him now were Sambhaji Raja and two servants, Hiroji Firjan and Madari Mehtar. So ट्रस्टेड फॉलोअर्स वेर देयर. सो दो जन तो साउथ में भेज दिए. अब कौन रह गया? मदारी मेहतार एंड हीरोजी फर्जन, प्लस ये दो जन, 4 जन रह गए. ओके, सून आफ्टर शिवाजी महाराज प्रिटेंडेड टू बी इल. तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, समथिंग प्रॉब्लम इज गोइंग ऑन. व्हाट शुड आई डू? ओके, स्टमक एज, सीवियर पेन इज देयर इन स्टमक. Please do something. Doctors were called. They started treating the patient. Shivaji started sending out the huge baskets of sweet to sadhus and Maulavis for quick recovery. So it has been said that Shivaji would recover fast if he is sending sweet baskets to sadhus and Maulavis. Now planning for escape from Agra. That is, in the beginning the guards outside would examine the basket. पहले तो देखते थे कि बास्केट में क्या है, स्वीट है, हाँ ठीक है जाने दो. क्या है खोलो, क्या है बास्केट में, स्वीट है जाने दो. So like that every time the soldiers used to check first the sweets. Okay, and one day they become careless, and in that basket Sambhaji Raje and Shivaji Raje sat. And they got escape. Very nice ना? अच्छा लग रहा है आपको? Okay. In the course of time, they got tired of his daily routine and stopped it. One evening, Shivaji made Hiroji sleep in his bed. एक शाम को क्या किए? हिरोजी को अपनी जगह पे सुला दिए. ठीक है, और मदारी में तर क्या कर रहे थे, हाँ पैर दबा रहे थे, कि मतलब ऐसा शो कर रहे थे कि शिवाजी महाराज सोए हैं। समझ में आया आपको? ओके। Hiroji sleep in his bed and asked Madari to massage his feet. To massage his feet. Okay. One evening, Shivaji made Hiroji sleep in his bed and asked Madari to massage his feet. Then Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji Raje hid himself in two of the many baskets that were going out. The baskets were stopped, supposed to contain sweets, and allowed to pass unchecked. Okay, it was having sweets. So say तो मिठाई है, इसमें तो हुआ ही नहीं कुछ. And Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji Raje got out of the basket. Their faithful servants were waiting for them with horse and kept ready for flights. कि वो रेडी थे वहाँ पे फ्लाइट के लिए, राइट. इन द मीन टाइम हिरोजी एंड मदारी लेफ्ट द हाउस इन आगरा. वो लोग भी चले गए अंडर द प्रीटेक्स्ट दैट दे वेर गोइंग टू डॉक्टर टू गेट सम मेडिसिन. हम दवाई लेने जा रहे हैं. कुछ दिनों बाद वो दोनों भी वहाँ से निकल पड़े. द टू ऑफ देम रिस्क देयर ओन लाइफ एंड मेड valuable contribution to the task of freeing Maharaj from imprisonment. Emperor came to know of Shivaji's escape the next day. Next day उनको पता चला कि शिवाजी महाराज तो महाराष्ट्र चले गए. He was wild with rage. बहुत गुस्सा आया उन्हें. And his sardars were frightened. The emperor sent spies all around the country to trust Shivaji. All the search, however, was in vain. कुछ फायदा नहीं हुआ. शिवाजी कहीं भी नहीं मिले. Once escaped, the Maratha lion was never again caught in emperor's net. मराठा का शेर शिवाजी महाराज. He was escaped. Now he will be no more in clutch of his once escaped. The Maratha lion was never again caught in emperor's net. अब एम्परर के जाल में फंसने वाला नहीं है. एम्परर के जाल से मराठा का शेर मुक्त हो चुका है. In disguise, Shivaji Maharaj started towards Maharashtra. He left young Sambhaji behind in a safe place in Mathura and in due course reached Rajgarh. So from there to he reached Rajgarh. वहाँ से राजगढ़ पहुँच गए. Jijamata was overjoyed to see Shivaji safe back home. हाँ Jijamata was very much happy to see Shivaji back. Sambhaji Raje was also arrived safely at Rajgarh, and in this way, with a great skill and daring, Shivaji gave a sleep. The emperor and returned to the safe of his kingdom. Shivaji gave the slip to the emperor and returned to the safety of his kingdom. This was in 1666. Okay, so this was the slip to the emperor was given in the year 1666. So students, with this I am finishing the chapter number 13. Next we have to go with our home assignment. Okay. Lesson number 13. Okay, bye.